Welcome back. Today we are dealing with Bessel's equation and Bessel's functions. What is a Bessel equation? The differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x square minus p square into y equal to 0, where p is the parameter, is called Bessel's equation of order p. If p is given the value 0, then we get the Bessel's equation of order 0. Correspondingly, you can give the value of p to be 1, 2, 3, etc. The corresponding Bessel's equation will be called by the name of order the number you are giving. P equal to 0, then the equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x square y equal to 0 is called the Bessel's equation of order 0. Solution of Bessel's equation will give us Bessel's function. Here if you check this equation, Bessel's equation of order 0, it's clear that x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. That is the only regular singular point. Now we are trying to find a solution at the point x equal to 0. There we'll have to use the method of Frobenius to find a solution. That's the next step. We are going to find solution to the Bessel's equation of order 0. We use Frobenius method to find the solution. Now the initial equation will be r square is equal to 0, exponents are equal and is equal to 0. The solution corresponding to the exponent r equal to 0 will always have an arbitrary constant c0. Now if we put c0 is equal to 1, then the corresponding Bessel's function is called the first kind of order 0 and is denoted as j0 of x. So the Bessel's function is basically the solution corresponding to Bessel's equation. J0 of x is equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole raised to n by n factorial the whole square x by 2 whole raised to 2n. This is something you will always have to remember. This is given as J0 of x. J0 of x is the summation minus 1 whole raised to n by n factorial the whole square x by 2 whole raised to 2 raised to n. Bessel's function of the first kind of order p. Now we are trying to solve Bessel's equation of order p. Previously we had done with order 0 and we had got J0 of x as a solution, particular solution. Now we are trying to find the solution of Bessel's equation with order p. Now again x equal to 0 will be a regular singular point. We are trying to find a solution at the point x equal to 0 and we have to use Frobenius method. The initial equation is r square minus p square is equal to 0. Exponents are p and minus p. A particular solution of the Bessel's equation is obtained when we set c0 is equal to 2 raised to p into p factorial. In the previous case we had assigned the value 1 and in this case we will assign the value 2 raised to p into p factorial. The Bessel's function of the first order of order p is denoted as jp of x and it gives a value sigma n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole raised to n by n factorial into n plus p factorial into x by 2 whole raised to 2n plus p. This is jp of x. So hope it's clear. Bessel's equation and Bessel's function. Thank you.